At the close of the 2023 MotoGP season in Valencia, attention centered on the BMW XM Label Red. This top-tier variant of the initial BMW M high-performance car boasting an electric drive system was unveiled twice on Saturday. First, it was presented to the 2023 BMW M Award winner, Francesco Bagnaia. Subsequently, BMW M GmbH revealed the new BMW XM Label Red safety car slated for the 2024 MotoGP season. For the first time in motorcycle racing's apex event, the BMW XM Label Red will assume a significant role as the MotoGP safety car. CEO Ezpeleta of Dorna and BMW M CEO Van Meel formally introduced the BMW XM Label Red safety car during the Valencia season finale. It will make its debut at the start of the 2024 season in Qatar in March. Ezpeleta, Dorna Sports CEO, highlighted BMW M GmbH's enduring commitment to leveraging technological innovations for racetrack safety. He hailed the BMW XM Label Red safety car as a standout addition to MotoGP's high-performance vehicle lineup, eagerly anticipating its appearance in Qatar. Van Meel, CEO of BMW M, underscored the BMW XM Label Red significance as the most potent BMW M car unveiled, featuring a V8 engine and an integrated e-motor generating a total output of 550 kilowatts or 748 horsepower. This robust drive system, coupled with exceptional driving dynamics, positions the BMW XM Label Red as the optimal choice for a MotoGP safety car. The BMW XM Label Red underwent enhancements with various safety car components tailored for MotoGP track appearances, including additional flashing lights, a safety car roof bar, front splitter, Recaro seats, a 6-point racing harness, and a fire extinguisher. Upon its premiere in March 2024, the new BMW XM Label Red MotoGP safety car will showcase the distinctive BMW M livery.